G'day from Australia. I'm here just north of Sydney at my buddy John's place. So today we're gonna go to the beach. It's Christmas Eve. Do some chores before we start doing family dinners and getting ready for Christmas tomorrow. And yeah, Christmas. This is much better than what I'm used to. Oh, dude, it's so fucking cold. So this is fantastic. We'll go to the beach. Maybe go around town. Check out this El Camino. They are huge down here. Everybody's got them. It's fantastic. El Camino, baby. El Camino. Seriously, you drive like 2 blocks and you'll see 8. It's insane. But they call them utes. Utes. Yeah.
Tradespeople for tools, but no one ever has any tools on them.
Yeah, you're right. Exactly. They look too pimped. It's awesome.
This is the one with the shark. Shark
Oh.
goes to the beach the other day.
Perfect. He's moved on.
Hey, from the Pacific.
Yeah, it's awesome. Oh, this is awesome. Yeah, it's weird. Like, you can actually, like, I don't even have to try to tread water to float. It's awesome. Like at home in freshwater, you just like you be trying to, you know, stay up, but in here you just float. It's almost like you got a wetsuit on or something. Here, nice. It's kind of cool because basically they do this flag system where if you swim in between the flags, they're kind of, that's where the lifeguards are watching. They'll watch, you know, the whole beach and stuff, but you know, you're more safe in between the flags. So when you come to the beach, stay in between the flags. Just follow the rules. Everything will be good.
I've done boats.
Oh yeah, this is.
The hang gliders stuff up there.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's actually one up there now.
Oh, yeah.
A couple, yeah, there's a couple of them. This is awesome. Yeah.
Funny up to the beach, brothers. From the cafe. This is here, like, that is it's like anything, right?
Yeah.
We said something about Canada.
Yeah, this is just beautiful. So, John and his wife, they come out here and they do marathon training, like the swim portion of the triathlon training out here. They swim back and forth to the point, and they use that for the open water swim. Yeah, why wouldn't you want to come here and train?
Absolutely,
Right?
man.
That's
Exactly.
awesome.
Did stuff our faces at the cafe and yeah, eat all the calories we just lost.
Yeah.
For the rest of the morning.
It sounds amazing. Yeah, this is awesome. Christmas Day in Australia. How could it get any better than this? This is awesome. This is tricky. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe. Until next time, this is Chris.